Hi, this is the Crown Chakra, Gain Enlightenment. This is what this video is all about. And by the end of this video, you will know what is the Crown Chakra, what does it represent, how can you achieve enlightenment in the Crown Chakra, what's some common symptoms of imbalance in the Crown Chakra, and what can we do to keep our Crown Chakra healthy and balanced. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. And also, if you want to know more about the chakras, there's other videos there that I've recorded that will help you about the 7 main energy centers. I will be doing more information about the pranic healing, so look for those videos as well around those energy centers also. Yeah. So let's, without further ado, get on. And I'm Varney. I'm a spiritual teacher, coach, mentor, author, podcaster. So the crown chakra is the 7th. People say it's the final chakra, but it's not. But I'm not going to go into that here. It's the final chakra in the 7 chakra systems, but it's not the final chakra. It's located at the top of the head here. Yeah. And it's associated with spiritual enlightenment, your spiritual cord, cosmic consciousness, self-realization, enlightenment. So when the crown chakra is open and balanced, we experience a sense of connection to all that is, and we feel inspired and fulfilled by our spiritual pursuits. And if your crown chakra is blocked or out of balance, you'll feel uninspired. You'll feel lost in your spiritual practice. You'll feel hard to connect to your spirituality. So really, if your crown chakra is, it's people see it's white and violet. It's like a multicolored prism. The area of governance is the top of the spinal column, the brain stem, the pain center, and the nerves is what the crown does. Also, as well, the themes of spirituality, enlightenment, connection. That's where it always. The essential oils of frankincense to use if you feel that you're needing a wee bit help around there. Lavender is very good there also. The demon for the crown chakra is attachments. If you find you've got unhealthy attachments, you need to do a wee bit of work on your crown chakra, because the basic rights of the love, the crown chakra, is to know and to learn. You just have a deep knowing, a deep spiritual knowing, which I certainly do have. And when you know what it looks like when you're in balance is it there's a doorway, there's like a cord, like a funnel to your spiritual connection. You have faith in personal relationships with spirit. I know I certainly have a great relationship with spirit and source or God, universe, whatever it is, the name that you use, Allah, whatever it is, the void of all possibilities. Yeah. We also, the patterns and beliefs to really pay attention to, those feeling lost in your life. You must do it all yourself, no support, cut off from flow and the love of life. You're feeling very alone in everything that you do. So what does it look like when you're in balance with this chakra? It really does develop wisdom. It's knowledge. It's esoteric knowledge. It's having that knowing feeling, that the faith, having that faith, that we really do from the crown chakra. And if you feel that it's also quartz crystal is very good for the crown chakra, and also I can see it, but I can't remember the name of it. The chakra, it'll come to me. The affirmations that to use is I'm connected to my spirit. I'm connected to spirit. I am one. I'm guided by a higher power. I'm connected and guided by my inner wisdom. I have immense joy, trust, love, and compassion for me, which always wins, and for others. Yeah. Yeah, the crown is I find when I'm working with people, it doesn't matter if they're in the room with me or if they're distantly. When I'm working with people, I always find my third eye and my crown and my heart are really activated. I find them very. If I'm doing spiritual work, they're the three chakras that I find get activated. And the way that I feel them is as if there's a vibration. Even when my spirit team's about as well, I can feel the vibration of the spirit team as if someone's doing this to my hair. It's like you just feel as if someone's just touching your hair. That feeling you get when, as if a spider's coming off over your hair. Ew, like here I go, I've got all shivers. That's what I feel when I'm working with other people or when spirits around me and they're trying to get my attention. I'll feel that. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm Varney, spiritual teacher, author, podcaster, coach. If you feel, that this really resonates with you, and you feel that you really need help, there's different ways I can help people. There's either Spiritual Awakening Academy or there's one-on-one mentorship coaching that you really need to apply to work with me for that, because I don't take everyone. However, I only take the people who I know I can help. The Spiritual Awakening Academy, anybody can come over there. And you get instant access with the Spiritual Awakening Academy. Come over to your tribe. If I'm resonating with everything you're saying, that's your tribe. Okay, guys. And please like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help the cause. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.